I'm ReaganVFilms, and today we're going to go over the Insignia 2.0 left and right channel to $100 soundbar. Now for Black Friday, I got this for $60. It was originally $100. The 2.0 channel means that there's a left and right system, so it's also known as stereo. It's not mono, because if you have mono, it's only in one or the other. That means it's the same thing for left and right channels combined. The soundbar comes with easy remote control using HDMI, ARC, and CEC. ARC is an audio release channel, so you're able to select your audio channels very seamlessly from your TV to your soundbar. The other option is HDMI CEC, which stands for Consumer Electronics Control. With the CEC, you're able to turn on and off your TV. You're able to mute your TV through the remote that the remote actually provides. If you have the Google Chromecast, the Fire Stick TV, they all use HDMI CEC and ARC. It comes down to the most challenging question. Is it wall mountable? Yes, it is, because all of these soundbars are supposed to just mount with your TV, right? So with this one, it comes with the kit and hardware to put it up, but I wouldn't trust on that kit. I would go to Home Depot, Lowe's, I would go to a local hardware such as Ace Hardware and get like other kits just to make sure it works. But if you really trust the hardware that they give you, I would use it. The cables included inside of the Insignia soundbar when you first purchase it is not an HDMI cord. So you are not able to use your HDMI cord for this specifically. You won't be able to use it. Now, there is a 3.5mm audio cable, there is a 6-foot optical cable, and there is a power cable straight out of the box, plus a remote and batteries. They do come with batteries, but I would recommend not trusting those batteries, because whoever knows however long they've been inside of that box, it's probably out of juice already. My name is ReaganVFilms. This is ReaganVFilms, where we help homeowners get a simpler, smarter, smart home from the ground up. Have a great Christmas. Merry New Year's. I don't know when this video is released, but check out all of these videos right here. And see ya.